What's good, everybody? This your boy Novacade doing a video review on mobiletechvideos.com. I bricked my phone, hard bricked my phone, put the wrong software on it. Phone wouldn't turn on, wouldn't power up, wouldn't charge, anything like that. So I searched the forums, XDA, Android Authority, all them sites. Uh, I found mobile tech videos on XDA. I watched a couple of YouTube videos. I was a little skeptical on actually sending my phone in, but I couldn't basically revive my phone on my own, so I said fuck it. It cost $50 for their full Galaxy Note Jtag repair. I also paid, what was it? I believe it was either $20, I think, or $15 for rush processing, and I think another $20 or $15 for rush shipping. So it took. I sent my phone out December 24th, and I got it back. Today is I'm at December 29th, and we're about to put the battery and everything back in and see if it powers on, because the last time I had it, it did nothing. So we're gonna flip this over. So basically it took, not counting the holiday, 4 days basically. Total $85, but it was better than paying I believe it was $300 from Samsung. And that's the wrong slot. Shit. I might have to send it back to you guys. Fucking not paying attention. Okay, there we go. That's much better. Let's just move it right here so you guys can see. I have a micro SIM because basically I switch phones a lot, and this is the SIM I have. Okay, if this works, I will never, ever, ever, ever worry about breaking my phone ever again, because I can just get it fixed. And I don't even know if this is the right battery, because I'm going to switch. Let me try this one, because I know one of them is dead. Okay, putting the back on. Snap it in place, basically. Don't mind the background. I'm in bed. It's early in the morning. It's actually 10 o'clock. This phone got shipped out yesterday, and it got here today. They are in Texas. I'm in New York. So if I didn't do the rush shipping, it would have took, I believe it said 4 days. Okay, it's back on. Note. Okay. Hopefully it works. My girlfriend's also sitting next to me. She's super excited. She's trying to hold it in. She couldn't believe it when she seen the video. Up. I felt it vibrate, and there it goes. It's a little bright. Okay, let me see if I can get it to. Yeah, oh. And there we go. Trying to get it to focus. It's kind of bright. For real, for real. I can't see it. There we go. And bam, there we go, people. My phone is live. It's alive, people. MobileTechVideos.com. Jtagging service, jig, USB jigs. Uh, they say they can repair anything as long as they can get the parts. If they cannot repair your phone or anything, don't be mad because they do try, as you can see. Now, communication failed. You have a update. Okay, I have a software update available, but the servers are down. Okay, that's all that says. Okay, I'll just hit okay. Let me see if I can get to the home screen. Go get your starting on your computer. Okay, into this code. Okay, we don't need that. Okay, whatever. We just hit cancel. Next. Okay, that's the S Pen stuff. And bam, there we go, people. I am back in business. Phone fully operational, as you can see. Sorry for the trying to get it to. I'm using my iPad mini that I got from Christmas from my girlfriend. I will be doing a review on that soon. And she has a Nexus 7. Maybe we'll do a double video. Nexus 7 and iPad mini. But, like I said, it's your boy Novocaine, aka Anthony Knight on Facebook. Novocaine_IG on Instagram. Handsome85 on Uvu. And I'm out, people. Time to use my phone again. That was www.mobiletechvideos.com to get your phone restored, resurrected from the dead. Okay, I'm out.